The St. Mary's Riken High School Knights Fine Arts Alliance, also known as KFA, is a school organization that supports the school's fine arts department in advancing and enriching its educational programs in the areas of music, visual arts, drama, and dance. Funds raised by KFA are used to supplement the financial needs of the fine arts department. KFA provides financial and volunteer support to theater performances, art shows, dance programs, choir, orchestra and band concerts, and other events such as the Concert Cafe and Talent Show. KFA assists with the purchase of equipment, supplies, and teacher wish list items, and has also helped fund fine arts trips to New York City and Walt Disney World. KFA membership is open to parents and guardians of current students, alumni, businesses, and any others who have an interest in supporting the fine arts department. There are varying levels of KFA membership, with annual dues starting at just $50. For more information on KFA, including how to join, please visit our webpage at www.smrhs.org/art/KFAA. Please do not hesitate to contact any of KFA's board members with any questions you may have. We hope that you will join us in supporting the fine arts.